If you're considering doing neurofeedback for your child, you probably have two big questions. Is it safe? Are you doing anything to my child's brain? And can my kid even do this if they struggle to sit still or focus? Let me show you exactly what happens in a 30-minute session, step by step. I'm Dr. Doty from Doty Chiropractic Center for Wholeness in Littleton, serving Denver metro families. This isn't medical advice. I'm simply walking you through our process. Here's a short answer on safety. Nothing goes into the brain. No electricity, no shocks, no signals. They're just sensors that read what the brain is already doing. Neurofeedback is brain training using real-time feedback. Let me walk you through exactly what happens when your child comes in. The room and the vibe. It's calm, comfortable, more like a media room than a medical procedure room. Before we do anything else, your child chooses what they want to watch. YouTube, Netflix, Disney Plus, Minecraft videos, literally any streaming service or any content you're comfortable with is fine. The specific content doesn't matter at all because the training happens underneath. Then we place the sensors. So what we do is next we use a small amount of water-soluble paste to gently attach 3 small sensors to the scalp and 2 soft clips to the earlobes. The paste washes out completely with water. No mess, no residue. The sensors are lightweight, and once they're on, most kids completely forget that they're there. Your child doesn't feel anything from the sensors themselves. There's no sensation at all. Most kids finish and say, "That was fine." Exactly what we want. No drama, no fear, just a simple experience. And then the session itself, once everything is set up and their show is playing, we start a 30-minute session. From this point forward, your child's only job is to sit comfortably and watch their show. There are no tasks, there are no performance pressure, no talking about the feelings. Now here's the part that makes this powerful and why it's more than just screen time. While your child watches their show, the screen is responding to their brain activity in real time. When the brain moves toward a pattern we're training, a calmer, more focused state, the screen stays bright and clear. That's the reward. When their brain drifts away from that state, the screen dims slightly. Not dramatically or frustratingly, just enough for the brain to notice that there's less reward. Here's why this works. The brain naturally wants the reward of a bright, clear picture. Without your child consciously thinking about it, without them trying to focus or force anything, their brain figures out, when I settle into this calmer, more focused state, I get the bright screen I want. This is called operant conditioning. The same learning process or principle behind building any habit. Every time the brain gets rewarded for a calmer, more focused pattern, over time, the brain gets better at returning to it. We're not forcing anything. We're simply giving the brain feedback, like a mirror, and it's actually letting them learn naturally. Now, to answer the second big question from the beginning, what if my child struggles to sit still or has sensory issues? We work with active, wiggly kids all the time. If they move too much, the system simply pauses for a moment, so we're not training movement, then it resumes. We'll coach them through it. This is what we do all day. Your child's only job is to watch and stay reasonably still. We're not looking for perfect behavior. We work with real kids. Most kids naturally settle in as the session goes on, which is actually the training working in real time. For sensory sensitive kids, we are very experienced with this. We introduce the paste slowly. We let them feel it first if they need, and we never rush the process. Most sensory sensitive kids adapt quickly once they realize the sensation is minimal and nothing unexpected happens. The changes parents notice tend to show up in daily life. Better sleep, more emotional regulation, improved focus at school, building gradually over consistent sessions. If this sounds like something that could help your child, the next step is a free 15-minute doctor consultation with me. Now we can do that either here at the clinic or by phone or by video. And the idea is we're going to see if this is the right fit for you. Click the link below to schedule. Now there's no pressure. We'll just talk through what's going on and what I'd recommend. Now, neurofeedback is a powerful tool, but it's just one part of how we help families. In the next video, I'm going to show you our brain-body method, how we measure, train, and support using neurofeedback, gentle, brain-based chiropractic care, and sometimes functional nutrition to build a plan that's truly customized. Go watch our brain body method next. I'll see you there.